Good day, students. How are you today? Oh, that's great. So, now may I request everyone to please stand for our prayer. Okay, let us have a silent prayer. Amen. Okay, you may now take your seats. Now, let me check your attendance. Is there anyone absent in the class today? None? Excellent. Okay, let us give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, so before we start with our discussion, let us have a song. Let us sing Science is Fun. Okay, go.
Oh, it's science time after all. Oh, it's science time after all. Oh, it's science time after all. Oh, it's science time after all.
Very good. Okay, you may now take your seats. Before we start our lesson, let us first recall our classroom rules. Who can give me the first rule? Yes, that's right. Sit properly. How about the others? Yes, listen attentively. Correct. Participate actively. Okay, very good. Let us have a game. I will show you a series of letters. You have to arrange them properly to find the hidden words. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is the first hidden word. That's right. The answer is cell. How about this one? Correct. It is division. Next. Yes. That's right. It is nucleus. How about this last one? Yes? Okay. This is organism. Now, let us define these words. Let us start with the first answer, which is cell. Who among you here can give me the definition of the cell? Yes, Ella. Absolutely. The cell is the structural or the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. How about the next word, which is the division? Yes, Kent. Brilliant! Division is defined as the act of dividing or the process of separating or keeping apart. Now, let us have the third word, which is the nucleus. Yes, Ray. Amazing! Nucleus is a membrane-enclosed organelle that contains the cell's genetic information. Finally, what is an organism? Yes, Eva. Okay, an organism is a living being. That's right. An example of an organism is plant, animal, or a single-celled life form. Let's give ourselves 3 claps for a job well done in the first activity. 1, 2, 3. Have you ever wondered how your skin repairs itself when you scrape your knees, or how a baby grows into an adult? These complicated processes start at a microscopic level in your cells. Cells are living things. They carry out functions while they are alive. Multicellular organisms, such as plants and animals, are composed of millions to trillions cells that work together. But they eventually break down and die. For you to stay alive and fully functional, these cells need to be continuously replaced. Mitosis is crucial to this process. Mitosis is the reason we grow, heal wounds, and replace damaged cells. That is why this lesson is all about mitosis. Let us read our objectives for today. At the end of the topic, students must have first, sequence the stages of mitosis. Second, illustrated their own stages of mitosis. And third, explain how cells divide to produce new cells. For this part, we will have a think, pair, share activity. I will be giving each pair a set of mitosis test cards. You will have to match each prefixes or stages with its definition. Are you ready? Okay, start. Time is up. Let us check your answers. Okay, the first is inter. Yes, Jane. Excellent. Enter from the word interface means between. Next is pro. Yes, Brian. That's right. Prophase. Pro from the word prophase means advance. Third, meta. Yes, Joanne. Brilliant. Meta from the word metaphase means along with. Next, let us have Anna. Yes, Yvonne. Correct. Anna from the word anaphase means up or apart. Last, we have tallow. Yes, Kyle? Amazing! Tallow from the word talphase means final or distant. Good job, everyone. Let us give them 3 claps. 1, 2, Okay, this station will provide students with a one-page reading about mitosis. There are 4 follow-up questions for you to answer to show reading comprehension of the subject. Okay, do you have any questions or clarifications? None? Then you may now start the activity. Okay, time is up. Let us examine and hear your observations in the activity. Each group shall have a designated speaker to present what they have observed in the learning area. Each group will only prepare or present their observation in the first learning area that they visited. Okay. Let us start with the learning area 1. Okay, very good. 3 claps for group 1. 1, 2, 3. Now let's have learning area 2. Okay, nice. 3 claps for group 2. 1, 2, 3. How about learning area 3? Brilliant. 3 claps for group 3. 1, 2, 3. Last, we have learning area 4. Amazing. 3 claps for group 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let us try to check or verify your answers. Let us have for learning area 2 the questions to the video that you have watched. Okay, question number 1. Write a true statement about cells after they go through the process of mitosis. Who can give their answer? Okay, mitosis ensures that each daughter cell will contain one exact copy of the parent cell DNA. Number 2, let us read. Give at least 2 important things to remember about mitosis. Okay, you can give me 1. That's right. During mitosis, one cell divides once to form 2 identical cells. Another? Yes, Trixie? Very good. The major purpose of mitosis is for growth and to replace worn out cells. 3. What is the correct sequence of the mitotic events? Who can give me an answer? Yes, Analu. Okay, that is correct. We have the PMAT. P-M-A-T. Okay, P stands for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telphase. That is correct. Now let us try to check your learning area 4 for read it. Okay, we have questions. First, what is the purpose of mitosis? Why do cells need to divide? Okay, who can read their answers? Okay, from group, okay, yes, from group 2, we have Angel. Very good. Angel said that the purpose of mitosis is to duplicate body cells. Why duplicate? Because the cells in our body can get worn out, damaged, and die. Also, when you're growing from a child to adult, more cells are needed to grow and develop. So, to ensure that this will happen, cells must duplicate. Next question. How many chromosomes do humans have? How about potatoes? Okay, let's have Des. Absolutely. Humans have 46 chromosomes. How about potatoes? Correct. Potatoes have 48 chromosomes. How about dogs? Yes, Claire. Correct. Dogs have 78 chromosomes. All living things have chromosomes. Okay, last question. What can happen if cells do not replicate or duplicate correctly? Oh yes, Sherry Ann. Correct. Mutations and incorrect duplications sometimes occur, and this can damage the DNA that can cause cells to die or even cause them to over-multiply out of control. This time, we will explore other stations for our activity. These 4 stations are considered output stations, where you learn more information about mitosis. Each of the stations is differentiated to challenge you using a different learning styles. For learning area 1, or the assess it. The assess it station is where you will go to prove mastery over the concepts that you've learned today's lab. The questions are set up in a standardized format with multiple choice answers. Some questions include these questions. For learning area 2, or the write it, you can answer open-ended questions about the lab to test whether you truly understand the concepts that are being taught. At this station, you will be answering 2 task cards with these questions. For learning area 3, or the illustrated, you will love this station, especially those who are visual learners. You will create a drawing for each stage or cell division and create an acronym to help you remember the correct order. Example, we have please make a team for PMA. Last is we have learning area 4, or the organize it. The organized station allows you to look into the terms used in this lesson with the correct definitions. Once you have completed their organization, I will come and check your understanding. Okay, do you have any questions? Clarifications? Okay, Nan, you can now do your activity. Okay, very good. Okay, now let us give ourselves a round of applause for a job well done. It is now time to evaluate what you have learned. We will have a matching column task. You will match the definition with the description of the face. Okay, let us check your answers. Let me give you your assignment for today's lesson. Let us read the directions. Choose one of the projects listed below to demonstrate your understanding of mitosis. Include the different stages. You may choose infographic, video lessons, song, model, or a scrapbook. There will be different rubrics in each project so that you will be guided accordingly. Do you have any questions or clarifications? None? Okay, that is it for today's fun-filled learning experience with me. Again, this has been Teacher Des. Take care and God bless you all. Goodbye.